Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the other call cell type, what value we have. So in the details list, we saw that we are having the call cell type as a expand tag, indicator tag, image, clickable image, link, and also in the last video we have seen the clickable image. The image is similar to that. In this video we will see the tag type and the link type, and we will see the how to add the custom image into the into the column of the as a clickable image. So that demo we will see. So for that, this is the last thing what we have developed in the from the last video. We have added the icons, okay, as an image, clickable image. So now I'm going to add the one column as a tag type. So to do that, in my collections with the updated collections here, already I have added the one column as ABC, which is having the static value. So this column is having some text or some value coming, and this is a static text. In the real time project, a real time or in the requirement, we can have the different dynamic value. So to make that particular as a tag type, so we can do that using the call cell type equal to as a tag. So to do that, let's go to the column properties here, and then let's add the uh, tag here. So before that, we have to make sure the column is present into this list. So here, into this list, let me refresh this subgrid. Okay, this list has been refreshed. So I have this ABC column included here, right? So this column I need to use into the column here. This field I need to use into the column here. So I'll come here, add the new column below, call name, and it is the name of the column we have given is ABC. Then the call display name which I want to keep is same ABC itself, and then the call width I'm trying to keep it as 100. Then here this time we will take the call cell type, and this time we can define this as a tag. So this is the tag type of this, then it will display in the box, and the color of this box we can change it using the same properties of the call tag color column. So here to do that, let's add this value call tag color column, and that will be the same. I'm using the same color which I have used for the icon. So now when you set this one, you can see it has the same color coming. You can change this color. To do this change color, what you have to do is we have to go to the collection here what we are going to create, and create the new column here with a different color combination. So and that column name you can specify here, so it will work. It you can specify here. So this is how you can add the tag color. There is another type of tag which is the indicator tags. To let's add the one of the column as indicator tag. Example, I'm going to make the name as an indicator type. So I'm going to change the name and the call cell type uh, as a indicator tag. Once again, let me copy the name from here. Okay. So when you specify, you can see some icons will come, and this is coming here. And the same way, you can change the color also of this one. So currently I'm keeping the same color. So we can change that color also of this tag. So it will work accordingly. So this is how you can use these tags of tags color with the different columns. Okay. Next is the link type. So link is basically used when we want something to be click, and on the click of this one, it will open the one of the particular record where it is reference to. So example here in our case, the primary contact is kind of lookup field. So it is a link to on the account record, right? So this column we can make this as a link types. To do that, we can go to the primary column here, and we can set this call cell type, and we can set this as a link. That's all. So this is done. So now you can see it will be like this. So if you play the app now, you will see it will be clickable kind of. This is but you have to note down here the tag type of the call cell. We cannot click it. Example, if the for this one column ABC, this we cannot make this as a clickable. It is not doable. Same goes to the indicator tag. So we cannot make this thing clickable. The clickables are the image are clickable and the links are clickable. So you have to make sure when you try to use the call cell type. So this you have to be careful what type of tag you want to set for your column. So if you want your column as a clickable these values, then you have to choose one of it. Okay, then I'm going to add the new column here, and this time I will use the image type, call cell type as image. But this time I will not use the icons, something like that. This time I want to use my own image as to be displayed here. So to do that, what I have done is I have added one wave resource as a image type wave resource here. So this is the wave resource, and it is image of some button. So let it get loaded. Okay, so when I click this one, so it will load this image. So now this image I want to display inside the column here. So to do that, same way we have to load this image into the collection here. So let's edit it. So we'll go to the collection here, and I will add the new column, and that is click me image URL, and the URL of this image we have to specify. So till here we can take. Okay, so this is the URL of the image. Now this clickable image is added, so this column we need to include into the field. So we will select this detail list, go to the fields. Currently it is not here because we have to refresh this. So just click, select it, and do not replace, just cancel it. It will be refresh automatically. And then add this cell here, uh, click me. Okay, it's not added. Wait 1 second. Okay, click me URL. Okay, fine. Let me play this again. Okay, come back, select this one, go to the field. It should be added. Wait 1 second. Static value tackler. Click me image URL. Expression is this one, image. Okay, done. So this seems fine. Coming to here, we have selected this, and the field we need to include. This might take some time to refresh because this is the image type, right? So it takes time sometimes to load it. I'm going to replace this column, so that I'll just try to show only this column. Okay, edit this. Now you can see it is coming here, right? So it takes some time to load it. So I'm going to include all the columns which I had included before. So click me, then ABC, then it was the name, then primary contact, then we had customer type code, then created on, and then a status icon. Okay, so included. Okay, fine. So now in this list I have, in this field list I have the clickable image included here. So this column we need to include here. So we'll modify this column table, add the new column here, call name. The name of this one is, I can copy from here. This is the column name. Okay, and the call display name, I'm going to give click me image, and call width equals to 100 or 150, and the call cell type, I'm going to make this as an image. Okay, so it is done. So now you can see as soon as it is added, when we play, the image is displaying now. But here the image is small, and you can see one more thing here. When we have select the call cell type as image, then this is not clickable, but this is clickable. You can see the icon is kind of coming on hovering, it is coming as click something, but here it is not coming as a click. So that is why when you say specify the call cell type as equals to clickable image, then only you will be able to click it. So I'm going to convert this image type equals to clickable image, and then we still the image is a small, so we can use the other properties of the column. So if you see the properties of the details list below, we are having one column property is called the call image width. So by setting this width of the image, we can increase the width or font of the image. So to do that, let's change the some value here. So width call image width, I think call image width, and we can specify something 100. So you can see as soon as you'll put 100, it's giving as little bit larger image, right? And now this is clickable, so this is kind of clickable. So this is how you can use your own image from the web resource to display into the column, and you can make this as a clickable to use the as a kind of button, something like that in your row to perform some operations. So I hope this small video was useful to you, and thank you for watching this video, guys.